Today on Taste Test, we are trying all of the Pringle flavors we could get our hands on. Allison, what do you think about that?
I'm super excited. I basically live off of the barbecue flavor, so I can't wait to try all the others.
And I'm joined by the one and only Mr. Chris.
Hey!
Are you excited?
I can't wait. Love Pringles. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell to get notified when we post more videos. All right, let's do this. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Pringle time.
OG.
So we'll start with our fave.
Yep.
Original.
How do you eat them?
My favorite way to eat a Pringle,
Yeah.
should I do it?
Yeah.
Is like a thick stack.
Oh.
All right, I don't know if I could do this for every flavor, but let me start this way. Let's eat our favorite way. Okay, ready?
Very basic,
Super salty.
super salty, yeah.
This is just takes you back to childhood.
It's delicious. It's salty, but kind of light. It doesn't have that greasy feel like other potato chips,
Right.
which is why a Pringle is so unique.
Right.
Sour cream and onion, this is my go-to. Here.
Ooh, good. Great flavor.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to kiss anybody after you eat
No.
this.
Great. It's a classic Pringle flavor.
It really is. I can see why it's your go-to.
Yeah, I could eat a whole sleeve of these.
I feel like I instantly need a breath mint.
Pizza flavored products taste nothing like pizza.
Right.
But I still love them.
You know, I get a hint of pizza. It's not super pizza forward.
I know.
So these, I really like the flavor. I don't think they're salty enough. The salt is in this powder.
Right.
And when it's not evenly distributed.
It isn't. You can
Yeah.
see. It's only shaded on.
And it has like
on
a very
part of it.
oregano flavor.
Right.
It's more like they just like dipped in a bunch of Italian seasoning or like
Yeah.
pizza.
I'm from the Kansas City area, so we know our barbecue.
Again, not very evenly distributed.
No.
It's pretty sweet.
Very smoky.
Right.
Like alarmingly smoky.
Right.
They don't taste like barbecue potato
No.
chips.
Kind of like a Carolina's barbecue,
It's not what I look for in a barbecue chip.
Definitely not.
but it does taste like a generic barbecue.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's super good. I would eat the whole thing. I'm excited to see how this compares.
Oh, wow. So
I've
they
never seen
really
this
are
one.
going regional with this.
So yeah,
Hotter.
this looks like, okay, so this looks like a barbecue saucy situation.
Yeah. I don't like anything that's spicy.
No? I love spicy.
I'm a wimp.
Vinegary, salty.
Definitely more tangy.
Yeah, tangy, totally.
Okay, I like this one better because it has the sweetness.
This is what a barbecue chip
Yeah.
tastes like.
Okay, I'm gonna probably like this one.
This tastes like mac and cheese powder.
Kind of like a processy cheddar that you may get from like Goldfish crackers or something, but
I think it's kind of bland.
Yeah.
Like I want more cheese.
right.
Like I wouldn't not eat these, but I also, if I wanted to have a cheesy snack, I'd probably pick something else.
Yeah.
Like a Cheeto.
Yeah, this wouldn't do it for me.
Maybe it's like something that you like pair this with like one of the other flavors.
Yeah, or like this would be really good in like a dip, like a sour cream and onion dip.
They put the sour cream and the cheddar
cheddar.
together.
I'm excited.
What will they think of next?
This just tastes like sour cream to me.
Right, so it's like you get the sour cream flavor that you get in sour cream
Right.
and onion, but without the bad breath.
onion.
Yeah, this is really good.
Going off how much we didn't really like the cheddar one, I'd rather eat this
Same.
than the cheddar one.
As you know that I'm a big fan of the sour
Yeah.
cream, so less of a fan of the cheddar, but together the flavor is just very good.
Yeah, and this is my favorite one so far.
Yeah,
Those are
this is-
really good. I will put ranch on just about anything, so I'm really excited about
Maybe
this
you're
one.
gonna put these Pringles on anything too.
That'd be great. That's my dream.
I have to say, I hate ranch.
Really, I love ranch.
That's overwhelmingly ranch. It's
Yeah.
very strong.
Out of everything ranch I've ever eaten, I have to say that I don't mind this. It's not too strong.
So you're saying it's not too strong. I'm gonna go in for another one. I discovered that really to get that full ranch flavor, which I wouldn't recommend you do because you don't
Okay.
like it, you gotta like let your tongue rest on it for a second. So like,
Okay.
you know,
This
there's
is
a
the Pringle,
biting,
she's the Pringle expert.
there's a biting technique.
I'm not gonna do it with this one, but I'm
No,
gonna
don't.
I'm gonna take your advice on the next one.
All right, well, the next one's also ranch.
I get immediately off the bat, I get the hot sauce.
I at first that first taste, I was like, yes. But then it was just like, I was just thinking about buffalo wings and I'm eating a chip and I would prefer to have the buffalo wing.
This is just like the suggestion of buffalo. It's a Pringle, it's a dry chip. It's not gonna feel saucy,
Yeah.
but you want it to evoke that sauciness.
Yeah.
Not feeling it here.
But it's spot on. I mean, you take your
Yeah.
first bite and it's exactly like what a buffalo ring just dipped in ranch would taste like.
Totally, yeah. Oh, it
Or is
totally
that-
smells just like pickles.
Oh my gosh, it's very overwhelming.
Yeah.
Pickle.
Out of everything dill pickled, I have to say this is not my favorite.
Right, it's pickle scented.
Are you really getting a lot of pickle flavor here?
After it's been in your mouth for a little bit, it's really like that pickle taste just lingers.
Yeah.
There's not enough vinegar.
Gotta try the tongue technique.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
I could use more vinegar here.
It's really salty.
Yeah, I kind of want my whole mouth to go like when I eat one of these salt and vinegar chips, and it doesn't quite do that.
It's like almost there.
It was like a,
Oh, I like these.
I could use a little more flavor, but
This reminds me of when you get chicken nuggets at a ballpark or something like that.
It's just kind of like a hint of honey mustard. So it's kind of dry, kind
Yeah.
of bland.
Ooh, this is dangerous. I'll be taking this home with me.
do you like spicy things?
I love spicy things. What about you?
Okay, yeah, I have a high spice tolerance, so
love a spicy snack.
I could use
little
more
bit.
spice.
You know, this to me is a very satisfying snack.
Think about like if you were to do like jalapeno and like maybe the cheddar cheese. Like I could see it being really paired really well with one of these. Oh, I said I wanted more hot and
There
I
you
got
go.
it. Look
Okay,
at this.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a regular chip, but it's almost tie-dyed red.
I love a chili lime, which is what's
That's
happening.
that's what I'm tasting.
That's some serious heat.
It has
Okay.
a lingering spiciness to it where it just sort of coats your tongue.
I asked for it for the more heat and I got it and I didn't like it. So I think we've entered Europe now with this paprika flavor.
Oh wow, Europe's getting the good stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is good.
This chip doesn't do anything for me personally, but tell me what you think.
It kind of starts off like it tastes like almost like a regular Pringle, and then at the very end there's like this tiny dash of sweetness.
Yeah, like boo,
Yeah.
I'm paprika.
So I want to know how this is going to be different than our cheese and sour cream. I really just get full onion.
It's very oniony.
Yeah, I think I would prefer a little bit more cheese in that scenario.
Yeah, or like I like what the sour cream and onion is like. There's still a little bit of mildness to it, but
Yeah.
it's very oniony.
I actually really like this.
Are there any prawns in there?
I don't smell shrimp. No.
You just open a can and there's just prawns inside.
This is something you see all over the world, except for here.
I'm not getting the shrimp.
Nothing seafoody.
No.
I think it actually does kind of taste like the cocktail sauce.
This is a great flavor.
Yeah.
Like I don't get any hints of shrimp. I mean, you could kind of just take off the prawn and just call it cocktail sauce flavor.
I like bacon flavored things usually taste too smoky. So here,
is
they've
very
sort of
smoky.
admitted we're gonna get the smoky
Yeah.
situation.
Wow, it's just such an overpowering smell of bacon.
But you know what I think I'd really like with that? That plus the jalapeno. I feel like it would go great together. Like a bacon wrapped jalapeno
Yes.
popper is what I'm thinking.
It really just tastes very similar to the barbecue.
Should we do a blind taste test? One in each hand. The second one is the regular barbecue, the first one's a bacon.
She's a genius. Dun 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 dun, the final one. Oh, I don't like it. I'm sad.
I don't know why anybody would go for this flavor and just eat these ketchup chips.
It's what I expected, you know why? Because we're really
Just
used
sweet.
to having Heinz ketchup.
Yeah.
And this isn't Heinz, this is just like generic ketchup flavored.
It tastes just like ketchup.
They do. Well, after trying all these, what do you think? Do you have a favorite now?
Yeah, so I mean, when I came in, I said that the barbecue were my favorite, but I think that's changed. I was a huge fan of this Buffalo Ranch. I mean, it tasted just like a buffalo wing, which is one of my favorite foods.
What was your favorite of all?
The honey mustard.
I love the prawn.
Okay.
I loved how vinegary it
That's
was.
a wild card.
I know.
I still like the sour cream and onion. Kill me, guys. I like it. It's a good standby.
There's no such thing as a bad Pringle,
Yeah.
is what we've learned today.
Didn't you have fun watching us eat all these chips? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below what we should try next, and subscribe to this channel for more videos you can love.